Everybody knows how to extend a welding table just by using the side panel here or there. But how is it even possible in the corner? Therefore, Siegmund offers corner connectors in 16, 22, and these two are in 28. So guys, this works very easy. This belongs to the corner. We can use the bolts and then just tighten them up. And on this area, we can extend. Quick and easy, like all the other products from Siegmund. Just use the bolt, and this angle will be mounted on this connector. Just by using the bolt. And it's done. So let's check this. I guess it's enough. So we just used this one here, this extension, with no bore holes on the top. But Siegmund also offers one with bore holes on the top, just to extend your surface. But this product can also be used like this. So, and now we've got 45 degrees. What would you like to build with this? Write it in the comments.